Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to create an app in Adobe XD. First, launch Adobe XD and choose an artboard preset like iPhone 12 or Web 1920. This sets up your initial screen. Then, use the artboard tool to add more screens, mapping out your app's journey. Get comfortable with the left-hand Tools panel. It's where you'll find everything from shapes to text. This foundational step is crucial for a smooth design process. Now, let's dive into designing your app's interface. Start by using the shape tools to craft essential UI elements like buttons and icons. You can easily import your own images and graphics to add visual richness and brand identity. Remember to maintain a consistent typography and color palette across all your screens. This ensures a professional and user-friendly experience, guiding your users seamlessly through your app's journey. With your design in place, it's time to bring it to life through prototyping. Switch to prototype mode, located at the top left of your workspace. Here, you'll define how users interact with your app. Simply drag a connection from an element, like a button, to its target artboard. You can then select from a variety of transitions, such as slide left or dissolve, and easing options to create smooth, engaging animations. Finally, it's time to share your amazing app design with the world. In the Share mode, you can generate a shareable link, allowing stakeholders to view and comment on your prototype from any device. This collaborative feedback loop is invaluable. You can also export individual assets, like images and even CSS snippets, directly from Adobe XD, making the handoff to developers incredibly efficient and straightforward.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.